Hi and welcome to another Married to Reselling video. We are Faye and Simon.
We are.
And we're UK resellers. We are on a garden sale trail.
Woohoo! It's our favourite one of the year.
Yeah.
I hope it doesn't disappoint, therefore.
Well, you know what they say, lightning doesn't strike twice, but will it strike twice today? What have we got? Ooh, donations. Shame, completely knackered.
Have we got to go up?
No. Shame. That was a quick one, isn't it?
Wants to have a look.
They've tried to copy old Meekin, haven't they?
There's £2.50.
What's that called then? What's it called? What's that like craft called?
I don't know.
Sellotape there, sellotape, Avon.
I mean, we haven't even got any girls.
He likes them.
Small.
Let's see what I got.
Show me at home.
Progress update.
Yeah, go for it. I'm looking at the map.
The progress update. We've done about 7, 8, 9, 10 stalls. There's bits and bobs around. Nearly bought a couple of golf clubs, like woods. That kind of changed my mind. They were giving away free golf balls, which I would have taken, but then I felt bad because I didn't buy anything, so I didn't take any. I just bought a brand new and sealed Tommy Mega Sketcher, which in my old job 10 years ago used to sell like absolute hotcakes on Amazon. Not looked at them for a while, but I think that was a decent buy at £2.50. Happy with what I've just put in on the back seat, which you've just seen briefly. But yeah, we're just feeling much better, I think, just generally than the last one.
Yeah, definitely.
I don't know why that is. Maybe, I don't know, we know this place, don't we?
Yeah, haven't seen any cat scratches yet.
No. We just went to a store where a really sweet little girl was like pushing everything as hard as she could, and her mum. Like, oh, we got this, we got that, we got Rocket Games, this, and learn to count. Have you got any like daughters or nieces? So yeah, they were really trying hard. And unfortunately, we only bought one thing for £2.50, but I'm sure they'll do well today if they keep that up.
Yeah. Shall we move on to the next one? Because I need to put the aircon back on, it's hot. Station Road and 6, 19, 21, 25 Flexmore Way. It's going, my glasses are steaming up.
We're near the end and we've got our last little cluster to do. And we've just spotted the lady that, when we were here, was it last year or the year before?
last year.
Had a load of white
Mint velvet.
mint
Oh, I
velvet,
just saw someone buy a cat scratcher.
mint velvet clothing. And Faye, last time you asked,
Oh, how much it cost? And she said like £3 an item. And then when I went to pay, she said, oh, but those ones are £4 and those ones are £5. And it really annoyed you, didn't it?
yeah. So let's see what happens this time.
Yeah, cool. Let's go. God.
I'm glad you did that over there.
Any mint velvet, babes? Yeah. And did I ask you? Did I hear you ask how much it was?
Yeah,
£2 each. So you got a couple of things for £4.
Yeah, £4. Can I give you the hangers back?
Yeah, of course you can.
It's amazing how much stuff's made in Portugal. When you go to Portugal, you don't see any of it.
Are we done?
We are.
Yeah. How did you enjoy that?
I enjoyed it better than the last one we did. However, it wasn't as good as when we did this last year. But I think that was probably a one-off. They're like one in a, not a million, but they're like maybe once a year. Maybe we'll have one this year, it's just somewhere else.
Yeah.
But we got decent
Yeah,
stuff,
we've
haven't
got some
we?
stuff in the back which we will unload and show you very soon in this video. And you saw the mint velvet lady.
Yeah, I did see the mint velvet lady. They were £2 an item this time. I made a point of saying, right, I've got two, so that's £4, and didn't give her a chance.
Yeah. Right, let's go home.
Let's go home. Should we get out what we got at the garage sale?
Yeah.
Okay, some of this is yours, some of it's mine.
Yeah.
So we've got Young Ones DVD sealed. How much did you pay for that?
That was 50p and it was for sale for £15. Pass me the bag, I'll hold it out.
Is that Amazon, is it?
Yeah.
And then you got two of these Rick and Morty pickle brick glasses.
Yeah, they're brand new box. They were £6.
What, each?
No, for two. And they were on Amazon but out of stock, so I don't know the price.
I picked this up for £3 and they sell for about £27 on Amazon after sale. We've had this brand before in an auction bundle. Also grabbed this, brand new and sealed, for £2.50. Logo bookend. You did like an emergency stop
Yeah.
because you saw this.
Free, please take, never used.
Yeah. Baby seat.
Minnie Mouse.
It is Minnie Mouse. What else did you get?
Oh yeah, BT Freestyle phones. They sell on eBay. I'm not sure exactly what I'll get. I paid £2. They sell just without the handset, just the base unit. So anyway, that's complete, hopefully working. So quite happy with that.
£2 mint velvet denim skirts.
Nice.
Off the mint velvet lady. I broke my nail.
No.
Yeah. Also off the mint velvet lady. It was this H&M, I don't know if it's any good. Anna Glover, a collaboration with H&M top.
Nice.
£2.
Now this was with the new one. It's not new. It is used. It's
Very
got a few
clean,
like
though.
yeah. It's got a couple of little like marks on it and stuff. But I couldn't really leave that sitting next to the other one.
No, is this a bouncy chair?
Yeah.
Zoe's after a fold-up one.
I think
for
it
holiday.
I sort of unfolded it and couldn't fold it back, so there's probably a lever somewhere.
Did you get anything else from that house?
From that house?
Yeah, well, where you got these two?
No, those two things.
Those two things, okay.
Can you reach over to the...
Oh,
Oh.
got these. Ooh.
So it's a Marmite cookie jar, a Marmite dish,
Ramekin.
and a Marmite salt and pepper. Paid £2 for all of that. I thought, why not? Lightning reaction.
Reloaded.
Paid £2 and that goes for about 20 used on Amazon. And the Tomy Mega Sketcher, I think it's kind of brand new and sealed, but it's kind of used like new or new other because it's just, you know, it's quite old, I think. But I paid £2.50 for it, and used to sell those back in the day. I'm not sure what they go for now, but I was happy to pay £2.50 for that. Oh, and a stop lock, which
£1.
yeah, really good, and it works. Got the key. We've sold these for anywhere between 35 and 50.
Yep.
So it just sort of depends on condition, and that's probably in between conditions of other ones that we've sold. Pretty good.
I think that's it.
Everything.
Yeah.
So we hope you enjoyed that little video. It was an hour and a half maybe, all the way around. About.
Yeah, there wasn't as many stalls as last time.
Yeah.
Was there? Because we were like, oh, we've been there before. Oh, there isn't one this time.
Yeah, definitely less. But yeah, it was nice, wasn't it? In the sun.
Beautiful day.
Chatting to people. We met the vet who looked after Snoopy when he had his teeth out recently.
Because she's got a Cavalier, and I was like, oh, I've got a Cavalier called Snoopy. She's like, oh, I thought I recognised you. I was like, oh, yeah.
Yeah, so it's always nice to have a bit of a chit chat whilst doing a bit of work in the sun. And like the video, please, if you liked it. And we'll see you in the next video. Take care, bye for now. What are we doing?
Going to like a kilo sale.